Great
Great
Plains
Plains
Cultural Region by Joseph Delisa. Amen. One of the tribes that lived in the Great Plains were the Omaha tribe, which were located in Nebraska and Iowa.
Monster legend. One of the monster legend is the horned serpent, who lurks in lakes and rivers, who waits for any living thing to walk past by and eat it whole.
Chiefs. The tribe's chief is someone named Vernon Miller, who also is someone that showed leadership to his people. Crafts. The Omaha tribe women did crafts like baskets that were made with sticks and clothes, which were made out of buffalo's hide, which is the warmest part of buffalo.
Crops. Mostly all the regions of the Great Plains' main crops were corn, beans, sunflowers, and squash, and sometimes were melons.
What they ate. Buffalo was by far the main source of food, but was dried or cooked and made into soup and pemmican. And also the women would also get berries that were fresh or dry, but the men would also have for food like deer, rabbits, elk, and ants. Location. Some of the states, the Great Plains locations are in Nebraska, New Mexico, South Dakota, and Iowa. Disasters. The Great Plains has always been known for unpredictable weather and natural disasters, tornadoes, hailstorms, blizzards, floods, droughts, summer heat, and winter cold. Farming on the Great Plains has always been a battle against the weather.
Plants. Most of the rolling hills of the plains are covered with good grass like blue gama grass and daffodil grass. You will also find silkweed, yucca, and plains prickly pear cactus.
Animals. Some of the animals that lived in the Great Plains were rabbits, swift fox, coyotes, and snakes.
Thank you for listening to our Great Plains Cultural Region project. Teepees are made out of buffalo skin.
And they were made out of hide, which was the warmest part of the buffalo. And right here we put some crops and food we eat. And this was just one of the tribes, which was the Omaha tribe. They would go hunt for food, like buffalo, inks, and maybe sometimes rabbits.
Thank you for listening to our Great Plains Cultural Region project.